Hello, my name is Mike Ohinefa. I'm co-founder of Lead Africa International and an empowerment specialist. In this podcast, part of a series that we've been bringing your way, I'll be looking at how to develop an action plan for your 2023 goals. Now, if you just set a goal or a resolution, chances are that by 31st December, you will not have achieved them. And this is backed by science. Now, so what is the best way to set a goal? In setting your 2023 goals, you need to realize that the action plan has 4 parts. Now, these 4 parts come together to give you a solid plan for implementing and achieving your 2023 goals. Now, so what are these 4 parts? Purpose, envision future, current situation, and specific actions. These are the 4 things. All right, so let's take each one of these in setting your actions for the year. One, for each of the priorities that you have set for yourself in 2023, you need a purpose statement. And so let's assume health. What is your purpose statement for your health goal? Let's assume finances. What is your purpose statement for your financial goals? Let's assume romance, love and romance. What is your purpose statement for your love and romance goal? So assume you want to get married in 2023. Now, why do you want to get married? What is your purpose statement? You want to get married because you have reached that age and there's social pressure on you, or you have a genuine reason for wanting to settle down. And so give yourself a purpose and state that purpose statement for each of the 3 priorities that you have set for yourself in 2023. Number 2 is envision future. Now, in this part, you describe how the goal will look like when you have achieved it. And so, if we take the purpose of your marriage goal, then the envision future is, I am living comfortably in my 2-bedroom apartment with my new bride. That is what you see. That is the envision future. That is the future that you are looking at. And so here you describe the goal as if you have already achieved it in 2023. Now, describe the goal in the present tense so that you motivate your mind, you release dopamine in the brain to help you to focus and to achieve the goal. Now, this dopamine is what helps footballers, athletes, and other people to keep going and motivating them to go for the ultimate. And you can use the same method or trick to help you to achieve your 2023 goal. Part 3 is current situation. Now, what is the current situation for the particular goal that you want to set for yourself? So you are looking at yourself today vis-a-vis the envisioned future that you see for yourself. So let's take the marriage goal. The envisioned future, the goal is that you want to marry in 2023. The envisioned future is that you are living in your own 2-bedroom apartment with your bride. Now, what is the current situation? I am dating. I am in a serious relationship with the love of my life, and I intend to contact her parents or his parents by a certain day. So that's the current future. Or the current future could be that, well, I'm in a relationship, but I'm not too sure where it is going. So I would seek to work on it in 2023. That is the current situation. Now you need to describe the current situation in very detailed ways so that you know exactly what you are going to do in this year to be able to achieve it. Part 4, specific commitments. Now, this is where you write in bullet form all that you are going to do to be able to bring your envisioned future to reality. And so what commitments are you making to yourself this year on the particular goal? So let's continue to work with our example of getting married in 2023. Specific commitment is that you will seek to work on your relationship to deepen it and to be tighter and happier in the relationship that you have now. Number 2, you are going to do the knocking at the lady's house by March this year. Number 3, you are going to save for the wedding or the marriage ceremonies. Number 4, so you see, you list the specific things that you must do to bring the envisioned future to a reality. Maybe you may even want to set a date. Maybe you may even want to book a venue for the wedding or the marriage ceremony. And so you list in bullet point the specific actions that you are going to take to make your dream a reality. This is the part of specific commitment. Make it very specific. So, my friend, if you can put all these 4 together, let's go through the 4-part process. Number 1, purpose statement. Number 2, a vision future. Number 3, current situation. And number 4, specific actions. This is your action plan. These 4 form your action plan for setting your 2023 goals. If you feel blessed by these podcasts, then I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Even tell your enemies so that they'll behave better next time.